Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings, and we're going to be using the Je Porte Mon Baby or Love Radius Hoodie Carrier for a back carry. I'm going to show a hip scoot to get round there. So I have the carrier waistband attached, parallel with the floor and quite snug on my waist. I'm going to get my child, I'm going to position their bottom centrally over the top of that waistband and bring the fabric up over their back, making sure that fabric's sitting in their knees and it's nice and smooth over their back. I'm going to bring the straps over baby's shoulders and in front of them. My right hand, I'm going to go to my right hand side, so I take my right hand in the middle of both of those straps, palm facing the ceiling, and hold both those straps together quite close to the child's face, so they're nice and secure in there. With both of these straps held, I take my opposite hand to the waistband and I will start to slide behind me. As baby goes back, my elbow comes forward and out of that front strap. Still holding everything nice and securely, we slide baby round until they're nice and central on your back. As you can see, my right arm is now inside that strap. We just need to reach, take the left strap and keeping hold of it and getting your other arm in there. Do your chest clip up and then you can tighten the carrier. So we're going to bring slack from baby round towards the buckles and tighten. And if you need to bring the chest strap up for your comfort, then you can do that. It slides up and down. If you need baby higher, then you can literally bring baby higher, bring that waistband higher and tighten it up. So, safety checks. Can baby breathe? You can use your camera on your phone to check if you can't see over your shoulder. Check that baby's airways are clear and visible. Check that they're nice and snug, that the carrier's holding them securely, and that you are comfortable and they are comfortable. Their legs are supported in the carrier. They've got a nice pelvic tilt with their knees higher than their bottom. Their arms are not trapped under any straps. There we go. Their arms are free to move. They're nice and comfortable, and so am I. And then to get baby back down again, we'll reverse the process. So I'm going to loosen my left shoulder strap and unclip the chest clip. Holding the left shoulder strap, I take my arm out, I hold it, take it behind my neck, where I hold both straps in my right hand. My left hand is then free to hold the waistband and slide baby back round to the front, taking hold of them before releasing the straps. And then you can pop baby down.